Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Aaron and we're diving into a must-have for camper vans, van lifers, and outdoor lovers, the Ogery Camp Fan. This little gadget promises to keep you cool, comfortable no matter where your adventures take you. But does it deliver? Stay tuned and let's find out. Right out the box, the Ogery Camp Fan feels solid. It's made of durable ABS plastic, has a built-in hook, a sturdy base, and even a remote control. Pretty impressive for a compact fan. The blades are enclosed, making it kid and pet friendly. The Ogrey fan has 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, and you can really feel the airflow, especially on high. It is not industrial strength, but for a tent camper or a camper van, it'll get the job done. Battery life up to 25 hours on low and around 5 to 6 hours on high. It charges via USB-C and it can even function as a power bank. That's a big win when you're off grid. Pros: great airflow for the size, ultra quiet operation, built-in LED lights, power bank functionality, remote control, and timer features. Cons: can take several hours to charge, light could be a warmer color tone, not ideal for large spaces. So is the Ogrey Camp Fan worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, compact fan that pulls double duty as a lantern and a power bank, I'd say absolutely yes. It's affordable, effective, and a great addition to any camp setup. Links are in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you tried this fan or have another go-to camp gadget that you'd like for us to review. Until next time, stay cool, stay safe, and happy camping.